efforts. The services shape our identity by allowing us to be good citizens. By contributing to services, we can be good citizens. And this will allow us to be able to help the people we get.
Since our founding fathers began their fight for liberty, they acknowledged that freedom and independence couldn't be achieved alone. So, each colony banded together in protest against the tyrannical English rule. They may have had a difference of religion or specific circumstance, but it was a unifying sense of unrest that provided them the courage to continue fighting.
I'm currently volunteering at the Abbotsford Historic Society, and very soon I will be putting in